Today I show you an unboxing of the MacBook Air M5, and there is a label somewhere here. This is the serial number of the MacBook Air, the model number A3449, made in Vietnam, the barcodes. And this is also part of the model number and this is a more precise model number. The MacBook Air has a battery inside, so there's always this kind of warning there. And other than that, there is some kind of other information. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, there's this flap. It's very well packed. This packing is really good. I mean, amazing. And very efficient. It's really using the space really well. Protects the MacBook box. So now the box is out. There is a bit of some kind of stuff on the box, but that's because of the cardboard, so it's nothing, no problem. MacBook Air. You have this picture of a really thin and light laptop. This is not very light though, so hopefully the box is very heavy. MacBook Air. You have the Apple logo on one side, the Apple logo on the other side. It looks like an iPhone. The box of it is really feels premium. M5 chip, 16 GB of RAM. This is the base model, 13-inch MacBook Air, and it's with the German keyboard, so that's going to be a bit of a problem for me. 10-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 13.6 the size, and the weight is 1.24 kilograms, so this is really good, very light. There is no charger. This is the model without a charger, and it needs a 30 to 72 watts charger, USB power delivery. I have the 65 watts charger from IKEA or 45 watts, so those are gonna be perfect. 512 gig of storage space, not 256 like the other ones before. The serial number, part number, so I think it's time to use these pull tabs and open it. Well, that's easy to open, but it is sealed anyway. The whole box was sealed, so it's not really. That's it. I'll put it here, just like that. It can sit there. And this part is not sticky, so that's nice. And the other pull tab. Okay. So the box is ready to be opened. Carefully flipping the box like this. I'm not sure which side is the front. I think this is the front. So now I'm ready to see what's inside this box. Should just lift. Oh yeah, so premium feel. It was very. This also feels nice and padded to protect the MacBook. Okay. And here is the MacBook Air. It has this little nice pull tab. Oh, feels still pretty heavy. It still feels pretty heavy. If I try to put it back, let's see. It really fits, but you can't really. You can tell it was opened because this is not aligning perfectly. Okay. Let's see what else is included. There is this charging cable and some kind of paperwork, some information. What is it? I think that's it. It's interesting, such a thick box for just a few papers. Okay. So information about MacBook Air. Some kind of a booklet. There is a Touch ID and a trackpad, Finder, dock. Okay, some basic information. It has headphones and the MagSafe charger, MagSafe 3, and 2 Thunderbolt ports with Touch ID. It's all in German because I bought it from Amazon Germany. And that's it. So there should be some stickers. There's no sticker. Don't know if I don't feel like there's anything else here. Yeah, that's I don't know why it's so heavy, this thing. Okay, so that's the information here. And I want to show you the cable. This is really nice. That's the cable. So you get on one side is USB-C. This charger is on one side USB-C, which is pretty solid. And on the other side it's MagSafe 3. So it's a MagSafe connection. I can never open these things properly here. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying not to twist this cable. So it's about maybe 1.5, maybe 2 meters. I think it's 2 meters, maybe more. 1.5 or 2 meters like this. The cable feels really good, feels premium. And that's it for the box. Nothing else in the box. And now this is the MacBook Air. It says Air, but it's pretty heavy, even this one. I thought the Pro was heavy, but this one is still heavy. So this is the laptop. It's a tiny laptop from Apple. Important, the use of this requires accepting the terms and conditions. So it's in all languages except English here. French. It's here. Important use requires acceptance of the software license license terms presented electronically during setup. Yeah, okay, so it's usually like this. Let's open it. Okay, so that's the MacBook. And it comes out. Okay. Wow, this looks pretty nice. I thought it would be not so nice. I thought it would be bluish, but it's a nice light gray to it. And this is the back of it. Some very light information here. I don't understand what's written there. There is something, it's upside down. So there is something here, designed by Apple in California, product of Vietnam, MacBook Air, and the model number A3449. And it needs, this power specifications, 20 volts at 1.5 amps or 20 volts at 1.75 amps or 20 volts at 3 amps. I think the IKEA charger can do this, 20 volts at 3 amps or 20.6 volts at 3.4 amps. That's the serial number. I think this is just my fingerprints. There's this stuff here, but it's just dust and my kind of fingerprints. It's easy to, whenever I touch it, it leaves a mark on it. So yeah, if you don't like having fingerprints on your devices, probably this is not the one. And yeah, it's even here a bit of fingerprints, but it's just fingerprints. And this is aluminium, from what I understand, an aluminium body. And this is the back here, this is the front, this is how you open it. Here this one is a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter. And on this side you have the MagSafe connector and the 2 Thunderbolt ports, and that's it. In the front you have this opening. I will only open it when I want to be ready to set it up. So now it's ready to be set up. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you see what's included. This is bought from Germany, Amazon Germany, and this is in Cyprus. Here the keyboard of this Mac is going to be in German, but I'm going to try to check the replacements. Apple has a parts shop for keyboards, so that's very interesting. I'm looking forward to using that. The charging cable is pretty solid. I really like it. It looks like it should last long enough. And the size of this, it's really good. Feels really good. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.